In our next problem, we're asked to use the given conditions to write an equation of a line in point-slope form and in slope-intercept form. So let's look at our given conditions. We have a line that's passing through -4, 6, and it's perpendicular to a line whose equation is given as y equals -1/4 x plus 5. Well, remember, anytime we want to come up with an equation of a line, if we have a point, which we do, -4, 6, and if we also have a slope, we can use the point-slope form and come up with the equation of that line. But we don't have a slope yet. All we know is that we want our line to be perpendicular to the equation of this line. Well, we can certainly see what the slope of this other line is because it's in y equals mx plus b form. So the slope of this other line is equal to -1/4. So the slope that we want to use for our line has to be the negative reciprocal, because two lines that are perpendicular have slopes that are negative reciprocals of each other. So since the slope of this other line is negative, ours is going to be positive, and then we simply take the reciprocal. In other words, we change the numerator with the denominator. So it'll be positive 4/1, or simply just 4. So now we can use this point and the slope that we want to use to come up with the equation of our line. So here we go. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to slope times the quantity x minus x sub 1. This is the point-slope form. Let's substitute our slope in for m, and the x sub 1, y sub 1, we'll substitute our point in. So we'll substitute the 4 in where we see the m in the equation, and for the x sub 1, y sub 1, we'll substitute our point, -4, 6. So let's do that now. We have y minus the y-coordinate of 6 is equal to our slope 4 times the quantity x minus the x-coordinate, which is -4. And we can clean this up just a little bit. It becomes y minus 6 is equal to 4 times the quantity x minus a negative becomes plus 4. So this is the point-slope form of the equation of the line that we're looking for. But we were also asked to write it in slope-intercept form. So this is our point-slope form. And in order to write it in slope-intercept form, I'll do that right over here in red. We'll just start right where we left off, and we'll distribute the 4 through on the right-hand side. And we'll have y minus 6 is equal to 4x plus 16. And remember, anytime we're looking for the slope-intercept form, we want to solve for y and isolate y on one side of the equation. So we'll add 6 to both sides, and we'll get y equals 4x plus 22. This is the equation of the line we're looking for in slope-intercept form.